Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on natural remedies for acne. Acne is a common skin condition that affects people of all ages. It can be caused by various factors such as hormonal changes, stress, unhealthy diet, and genetics. Although there are many commercial products available to treat acne, they can be expensive and have potential side effects. In this video, we will discuss some natural remedies that you can try at home to manage acne. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a popular essential oil that has antibacterial properties. It can help to reduce inflammation and prevent acne breakouts. Simply apply a few drops of tea tree oil onto a cotton ball and dab it onto the affected area. Be sure to dilute the tea tree oil with a carrier oil such as coconut oil or jojoba oil before applying it to your skin. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a plant with soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help to reduce redness and swelling caused by acne. You can apply fresh aloe vera gel directly onto your skin or use aloe vera products that are specifically formulated for acne. 3. Honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial agent that can help to reduce inflammation and prevent acne breakouts. Apply raw honey directly onto your skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help to reduce acne breakouts. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water and apply it onto your skin using a cotton ball. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it off with water. 5. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that can help to reduce inflammation and prevent acne breakouts. Brew a cup of green tea and allow it to cool down. Use a cotton ball to apply the green tea onto your skin or use green tea products that are specifically formulated for acne. 6. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that has anti-inflammatory properties and can help to reduce acne breakouts. You can take zinc supplements or eat foods that are high in zinc such as oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of honey and apply the mixture onto your skin. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. 8. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains alpha hydroxy acids that can help to exfoliate the skin and prevent acne breakouts. Apply fresh lemon juice onto your skin using a cotton ball and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Be sure to avoid sun exposure after using lemon juice on your skin as it can make your skin more sensitive to UV rays. 9. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is a natural astringent that can help to reduce inflammation and prevent acne breakouts. Apply witch hazel onto your skin using a cotton ball and leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it off with water. 10. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that can help to prevent acne breakouts. Mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder with 2 tablespoons of honey and apply the mixture onto your skin. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Remember, it is important to be patient when using natural remedies for acne. Results may not be immediate and it may take several weeks or even months to see improvements in your skin. Be sure to also maintain a consistent skincare routine and avoid picking or squeezing acne as this can lead to scarring and further breakouts. We hope you found these natural remedies helpful in managing your acne. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatments or remedies. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.